Isn't it cool to know that by just clicking a few buttons, you can earn like $5, $10, $20, or even more, like $200 to $300 per day by just clicking a few buttons, and you are just going to answer a yes and a no. You always look down on a small amount sometimes, but not in this case, because in this website or in this video, I will show you how to earn money from $5 up to $300 a day. And of course, guys, you can earn this amount or this money through your hard work. Of course, you can immediately cash out your earning or your money in this website through different payment options like PayPal. So make sure you have a PayPal or an active PayPal account. This website is 100% free and legit and no need investment. So this is currently a wide range. So they are hiring globally. So whichever you guys are located, UK, Canada, USA, or Philippines, you are welcome to apply and start making money online while you are just staying at your home. I'm so excited to share with you guys this big opportunity wherein you guys can earn money while you are just staying at home. And I will also share with you all some bonus tips on how to double or even triple your income in just a day. Focus and watch the steps carefully, and of course, stick with me until the end of this video so that you won't miss any information about this company. But before we are going to start, welcome back to my channel where I teach you the simple way on how to make money online. Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Manilyn, a full-time mom, a freelancer, and a virtual assistant. As what I have always said on my different videos, that I work in different companies. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell button so that whenever I upload a new video all about making money online, you will be updated and can start making things happen. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. And of course, if you have any suggestions, questions, and comment all about this video, please don't be shy to leave a comment down below. Alright, money makers, let's get started. Let's earn money together right now. So the first thing that I want you to do is that search enrollapp.com, or I will just put the link on the description box below so that after you watch this video, you can visit their website and create an account. But before that, first, I want you to focus on this right now so that you can follow the step-by-step application on how to do this. Once you've reached the homepage of enrollapp.com, you will see the word "Let's make the web a better place." So this company is 100% legit, and this is quite in demand and popular in the industry right now. So this company provides a big opportunity for us to make money from home. And there is no need experiences or any technical skills in order for you to create or apply in this company. The company pays you guys monthly and through PayPal. And there is no minimum amount. You can just even have a $1 as long as you have that. They will pay you right away into your PayPal account. Just make sure you have or you put a PayPal account into your profile. Okay, so now pay close attention as I will show you the steps and you can start earning money online as of today.
Alright, let's get started. When you are on the homepage of Enroll app, go to the right side where the green button that says sign in. Click on it and it will route you in a box that you need to put your email address and your password. It's easy, right? But first, I want you to check your email because if this is your first time to sign up for a free account, you need to activate first your account by clicking the verification link sent to the email that you provided. Then once log in and on your Enroll app dashboard, you will see that it's mission progress data that tracks your progress every time you finish a mission. So there is a cow icon on the progress matter that starts on the left and moves forward to the right. This little cow will move every process that you make by completing projects and mission. But here's the best part, and that is receiving extra cash, prizes, and bonus money, and that's why I highly recommend this to beginners and newbies. As what I have said, you don't need investment in this account. I just love this website. Listen up here and pay attention because there are things that I want to show you that will help you double or even triple your income. What is it? Well, it's a little secret trick that I discovered myself after working on this website. So make sure to keep watching and focus so you won't miss anything. So the first thing you'll notice on your Enroll app dashboard is that you can see the polls and how many polls you have answered. Polls means like the questions written below. Like for example, do you have a degree in food safety? Well, it depends on me on the answer. As what I have said guys, in this website, it doesn't matter if your answer is correct or not because that doesn't matter in this company. Well, in this question, this is not related to me, but I have the power, I can choose whether it is a yes or a no. And as you can see in here also, I have a badges, like 58 badges, and I already answered 1,123 questions. So if you see any questions in here, you just click yes or even no, it's up to you. Just keep going, answer the questions, and just do it as much as you can. So all you need to focus in here guys is just by answering the question. It doesn't matter if you understand the question or not for you to earn money online. So the more polls answered, the more points you will have, which can convert into cash. You can repeat the question again and again by clicking on the button just between a yes or a no and then click continue. You will see in real time how many polls you've answered. You can also do this as many time as you want because there are no limits. So you can also see the polls that you've answered.
So remember this guys, the more questions that you do or the more polls you've answered, the more money you can make in a day. And of course, yes, you can do this through your mobile phone only.
And next, if you are in your Enroll app dashboard, click Achievements on the top and you will be able to see your progress. You can see how many points and badges you have. It also shows what mission you have, like for example, Mars. You have to log into your account every day to gain bonus and money. You'll need to do it for 30 days in a row, just for 5 minutes each day. Just complete a poll question and you finish your first mission. As I explained before, with every progress done, the cow icon will move forward to right until it reaches the finish line. And also, the more badges you get, the more points and money you can make on this website. So now, here's one more important things that need to configure. If you want to make triple more money, pay attention to this. When you log in into your account, click on the down arrow beside the profile icon and click Test Preferences. Once you are on a page of Text Preferences, it shows there that you need to make sure that all of your profile settings are up to date. Reminder that your response to these questions will be kept private, so don't worry about that. Next, I want you to select devices below where it says devices I can test on. The devices that you need to select are mobile, tablet, and desktop. If you ask me why you need to select 3 of them, it's because the more devices you choose, the more tests that you can do and the more polls that you can answer. It means that the more money you can make. For testing availability, it will ask you when is the best time for you to take the test. So I want you to choose the first icon, which is send me tests as soon as possible. So they can send you more tests on your account and more test notification on your inbox. So the more opportunities you have, the more money you can make, and also it is important to check the notifications below about sending your email when you qualify for the test. And also validating your phone number so that they can also send you an SMS notification aside from your email inbox whenever they have tests available and you are qualified to take the test. Always remember to keep in mind to follow all the settings for you to make more amounts of money on this website. And after all, you can go back to answer poll questions, just continue doing it again and again. And I hope you can see how simple it is to make money online using this website by just clicking some button. And I believe that anyone can do this. All you have to do is focus on your progress by finishing all of your missions, get more points, get badges, and see your progress from 0 to 100 and start earning your bonus money. And that's it,
guys. I hope you learned something and you can start making money online as of today or after you watch this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and please leave a comment down below if you have any questions, suggestion about this video. So thank you for watching and happy earning. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now and God bless everyone.